Understanding Youthful Breakout in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might come across in English: youthful breakout. Whether you're reading a book, watching a movie, or scrolling through news articles, understanding this phrase will enrich your comprehension of English. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and the context in which you might encounter it. At first glance, youthful breakout might seem a bit perplexing. Let's break it down. Youthful refers to something characteristic of young people or the period of being young. It implies vibrancy, freshness, and sometimes inexperience or immaturity. Breakout can mean a sudden or dramatic emergence, especially into prominence or success. It's often used to describe someone or something becoming very popular or well-known quickly. When combined, youthful breakout typically describes a situation where a young person or a group of young people achieve significant attention, success, or fame rapidly. It can also refer to the sudden emergence of qualities associated with youth, such as energy, innovation, or a new trend popular among the young. To better understand youthful breakout, let's look at some examples. 1. In entertainment, a young artist releases a song that goes viral, becoming a global sensation overnight. This is a youthful breakout in the music industry. 2. In sports, a teenage athlete wins a gold medal at the Olympics, surprising the world with their talent. This achievement is a youthful breakout performance. 3. In technology, a group of young entrepreneurs launches a startup that quickly becomes a leading company in its field. Their rapid rise to success is considered a youthful breakout in the tech world. Understanding the concept of youthful breakout is important for several reasons. Cultural relevance. It often highlights trends, talents, and movements shaping our world, driven by the younger generation. Language evolution. It exemplifies how English evolves to describe new phenomena in society, technology, and culture. Motivation. Stories of youthful breakout can inspire people of all ages to pursue their dreams and embrace their potential, regardless of their current status or experience. We hope this exploration of youthful breakout has been enlightening and enjoyable. Such phrases enrich our understanding of English, not just in vocabulary but in appreciating the dynamic ways language captures our changing world. Keep learning, stay curious, and see you in our next video. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you master opens up a world of understanding and expression. Happy learning!